All right, with this one, we have something that looks like a difference of squares, but it's not quite a difference of squares. But if you remember the last chapter, we always want to factor out our greatest common factor. If you're ever having a hard time with a problem, see if there's a greatest common factor you can factor out. So it looks like that both of these guys are divisible by 5. So I'm going to factor out a 5. I'm also going to pull out an r because they both have an r. So if I pull out a 5 out of 80, 80 divided by 5, 5 goes into 8 once. This is going to be a 3. 30, so that's going to be 16. So we have a 16 p squared minus, now this next one, 245 divided by 5. 5 goes into 24 4 times. 4 times 5 is 20. And then we have 5 goes into 45 9 times, so this is going to be 49 b squared. Now, if you notice, now that I pulled out this 5r, we now have a difference of squares. If you remember, difference of squares is going to be a squared minus b squared. Will factor out to be a plus b and a minus b. So our a here is going to be the square root of this guy, which is going to be 4p. Now let's make sure that we did this right. If a is 4p, then a squared is going to be 16p squared. Okay, so that works. So my b is going to be 49, which is going to be 7. The square root of that is 7, and then b. So b is 7b, so b squared is going to be 49b squared. So that's perfect. Now I'm going to put it into this equation. So we have 5r still outside, and we have a plus b, so 4p plus 7b, and then 4p minus 7b. And that's that one.